Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Qualtrics in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages. From here we just go into a channel. Then we tap on connect apps. Then we have to wait a bit to let the app load. Here we have a list of different kinds of applications that we can add to the app, add to the workspace. Here we just have to scroll down to the bottom, and under the Brilliant Bots section we have Qualtrics. We just tap on that. The app is going to load again, but afterwards there's going to be a button that says add to Slack right here, which we can tap, and then add the Qualtrics app to the Slack workspace. That's pretty much it for this video. Over to yourself, for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.